Have you ever had a brilliant idea, a goal that excited you, only to find yourself days later scrolling mindlessly through your phone, wondering where the time went? You're not alone. In fact, that voice that says, "I'll do it later," is one of the most powerful forces in the universe. But what if I told you that laziness isn't your identity? It's just a habit, and habits can be broken. Welcome. This isn't another lecture about grinding 24/7. This is a friendly chat about understanding why we stall and how to gently but firmly get our momentum back. So grab a coffee, get comfortable, but not too comfortable, and let's rewire your brain. Part 1. The Myth of Laziness. Let's get one thing straight. You are not lazy. Labeling yourself as lazy is like putting a rock on your own back. It's heavy and it doesn't help. What we call laziness is usually something else entirely. It's often fear. Fear of failure, fear of not being perfect, fear of what others might think. It's safer to not try at all than to try and potentially fail, right? Wrong. Your brain is just trying to protect you from discomfort. Overwhelm. The task seems too big, too messy, or too complex. Where do you even start? Your brain looks at this mountain of work and decides that taking a nap is a much more reasonable option. Lack of clarity. You know you want something, but you don't have a clear step-by-step plan. Get fit is vague. Write a book is enormous. Without a clear next step, inertia wins every time. So the first step is to change the story. Stop saying, "I'm so lazy." Start asking, what am I actually feeling? Am I scared? Am I overwhelmed? Do I not know what to do first? This simple shift changes everything. Part 2. The magic of the first step. You don't need to climb the whole mountain today. You just need to take the first small step. The key is to make that step so tiny, so laughably easy, that it feels impossible to say no. This is called the 2-minute rule. If a task takes less than 2 minutes, do it right now. But for bigger tasks, just commit to 2 minutes of it. Don't feel like cleaning your entire room. Just commit to putting 5 things away, that's it. Not motivated to write a report? Just open the document and write 1 sentence. Don't want to go for a run? Just put on your running shoes and step outside. The goal isn't to finish the task, it's to start it. Action creates motivation, not the other way around. Once you start, you'll often find it's easier to keep going. You've tricked your brain into momentum. Part 3. Design your environment for success. Fighting temptation is exhausting. Why fight when you can make things easier for yourself? Your willpower is a limited resource. Instead of relying on it, design your life so you don't need as much of it. Want to read more? Place a book on your pillow every morning. You'll have to move it to go to sleep. It's a simple visual reminder. Want to eat healthier? Wash and chop your fruits and veggies right after you buy them. When you're hungry, the healthy option is the easy option. Want to waste less time on your phone? Delete your most distracting apps for a day, or charge your phone in another room at night. Make the distraction harder to reach. You aren't weak, you're human. Set your environment up to help your future self, not sabotage it. Part 4. The power of the pause and the play. Working nonstop is a recipe for burnout, which leads straight back to the couch of doom. Your brain needs rest. The most productive people aren't machines, they are masters of the rhythm between focus and rest. Try the Pomodoro Technique. Work for 25 minutes, then take a mandatory 5-minute break. During those 25 minutes, you do nothing but the task. When the timer rings, you must stop and take a break. Walk around, stretch, stare out the window. No screens. After 4 sessions, take a longer 15 to 30-minute break. This works because it tells your brain, the effort isn't forever. A break is coming soon. It makes starting easier. And most importantly, celebrate your wins. Finish the task, do a little dance. Listen to one educational podcast? Awesome. Thank yourself. Positive reinforcement trains your brain to associate hard work with good feelings. Final thought. Be your own best friend. The way you talk to yourself matters. If you call yourself lazy and useless, you'll feel lazy and useless. Try talking to yourself like you would to a good friend who's struggling. Instead of, "Ugh, I'm so lazy. I wasted the whole day." Try, "Okay, today wasn't as productive as I hoped. That's all right. What's one tiny thing I can do right now to get back on track?" This isn't about being soft. It's about being effective. Kindness is a much stronger motivator than criticism. Remember, overcoming inertia is the hardest part. But once you're moving, it's easier to stay moving. You have dreams and ideas for a reason. You are capable of amazing things. It all starts with one ridiculously small step. Okay, friends, that's all for today. I hope these tips were useful for you and you feel motivated to take that first small step. If this video was helpful for you, please give it a like. This really helps the channel grow. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. This way you won't miss our next video. The most important part is that you write to me in the comments. What other habit do you want to break? Or what would you like our next video to be about? I read every single one of your comments, and your ideas are a source of inspiration for future videos. From the bottom of my heart, thank you for staying with me until the end of the video. You are amazing. Remember, progress happens through small steps. I believe in you. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.